Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. As you can see, leaves are falling down. Definitely need to wash my car, so it's kind of looking a little dusty. Windows and all that, even my hood, so I'm not sure if you can see that dust on it. But anyways, for today's video, I am going to be installing my side skirts. These are the TP style side skirts from Seibon. The side skirts that I have right here, it took me like 3 months to just get them. Apparently when I tried to order them, they're all out of stock, so they are here. I've had them in the house for a good while now. Seibon doesn't really have their products already pre-drilled, so they usually come just like a brand new carbon fiber side skirt. So as you can see with this side skirt, it is fully carbon fiber front, and then of course from the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill it myself. I'm probably gonna put like at least 5 to 8 screws on each side, just so I can make sure that it's actually secured to these side skirts, because these side skirts are slightly expensive. Again, Seibon products are, you know, their quality product. It's just that their price are pretty up there, but can't complain. The weave of that carbon fiber is just like legit nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where exactly I pre-drilled on the side skirts, and then once I'm done pre-drilling it, I'm gonna go ahead and mock up on the side skirts exactly where I would like to, like, you know, drill the screws into the side skirts. And once I'm done with that, I'm just go ahead and show you guys the before and after video. So yeah, before installing the carbon fiber side skirts, I just want to do a quick walk around on how it looks without it. But yeah, with this side skirt, I believe it's gonna extend like a little bit, like right here. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day. It's kind of windy right now, so hope you guys can hear me really well. I'm gonna try my best to talk as loud as possible. But anyways, I did actually remove my side skirts from both sides. So that's from the driver's side, and that one from the passenger side. So with the Seibon TP style side skirts, I did actually already pre-drilled it. So I used actually 5 holes. So there's one here, of course, and then the other one on the far end on the front, and then of course in the middle, and then another in the middle between the front and then the middle, and then here of course. So I used a total of 5 pre-drilled holes. Same thing with this one right here, which is the passenger side. So what I'm gonna use is this one right here. So this is a 1x4x1. It's a 10 mil and it's a 1-inch screw. So this should hold it pretty well. They're pretty sturdy screws and shouldn't come off at all. So what I'm gonna do before installing the OEM side skirts back into the car, I plan to actually install this first to the OEM side skirts, just because it's a lot more easier for me just to move it around. Because if I have it on the car already assembled, it's just gonna be a little bit hard for me to just like have this like held. So I'm not trying to like really scratch it. I mean, these are pretty brand new side skirts, so what I'm gonna do is actually just mount it while it's out of the car, and then just assemble it together with the screws that I have right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and then show you guys the whole process once it's done. Alright guys, so I went ahead and assembled the TP style Seibon side skirts to the OEM side skirts. So like I said before, I put 5 screws on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are really held tightly together, so it's not gonna come off at all. So this is how it kind of looks on the floor. I did the same thing on the other side. Like I mentioned before, it's really windy right now, so I'm probably gonna do a walk around with the side skirts installed maybe the next day or so, just so I can have a better look. But yeah, so now that I have everything screwed in into the OEM side skirts, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back into the car. So that's one side skirt on the driver's side, and overall this thing, it looks really clean. Like if you open the door, that's pretty much your view when you get out. So that's really clean. So yeah, my overall impression is that this is really clean. I really like it a lot. Definitely worth the price. Just a nice, like, small extended out. Definitely suits the car a lot more. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day. Yesterday was just like really windy and it started to get really cold and just dark real quick. But anyways, today is the next day. Side skirts already installed onto the car. I'm really liking these side skirts. It looks really clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around with these side skirts on. So yeah, side skirts installed. Really hope you guys enjoyed the whole process of me installing these side skirts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And for the next upcoming video, I will be buying new LEDs, like new turn signals for the headlights, and I'll be doing probably some custom fog rear lights on the rear as well for the diffuser. So that will be in the next upcoming video. Just keep a lookout. But thanks again for watching.